Great start in Platteville this morning. We're at 65 degrees, 66 in Lone Rock, and 69 here in Madison. Dew points, though, tell the story today. Dew points are in the mid-60s, and they'll hold steady through the day. So it is going to be very muggy as we go into the afternoon. Our day planner forecast has high temperatures in the mid-80s today. Keep in mind, we're already in the 80s at lunchtime. We're looking at a high of 86. Now, there's an outside chance for a little bit of rain later today, but most areas look to stay dry. Look at your first alert traffic maps early this morning. We'll show you what's happening on the roads. Some slowdowns heading in from Sun Prairie on 151, but otherwise no major delays in and around the Beltline areas. You're still going at posted speeds heading into Madison from the surrounding communities. And that's your first alert traffic.
Thank you very much, Hattie. 6:29 right now. We start this morning with data showing the number of overdoses involving prescription painkillers here in Wisconsin has more than doubled recently. And that's just for young people between 12 and 25.
Madison city leaders and treatment providers around here are hosting a town hall tonight, hopefully connecting people affected by this epidemic with the help they need. Christina Laurie is live outside the central branch of the Madison Public Library, where that meeting will be taking place later today. Good morning, Christina.
Adam and Danica, overdose deaths here in Madison have been increasing over the past 6 years. City leaders and local nonprofits agree that opioids are to blame. And while they say there's no quick fix to solving this problem, there are several simple steps you can take today to keep your family, friends, and community safe. First, you can lock up all of your prescription drugs in a lockbox, which the nonprofit Safe Communities will provide for free at tonight's town hall meeting. 75% of people who start on opioids get the drugs from someone they know, with or without asking. Second, dispose of any medication you no longer need. And if your doctor prescribes you opioids, ask if you really need them. All the healthcare systems in Dane County are on board with limiting the number of opioids prescribed, and there is a healthcare task force on safe opioid prescribing. In 2000, there were 13 opioid deaths in Dane County. In 2015, there were 57. In 2016, the most recent year on record, 85 people died in Dane County from an opioid overdose.
You know, the city of Madison is all on board. It's a demonstration of, the elected officials' commitment, the police department, the fire department, all of the different organizations that have come together to address this. So I think the leadership has really been remarkable, and I have to say it's a national model.
Now, the city of Madison actually won a Conference of Mayors Award back in 2013 for their commitment to addressing this issue. Safe Communities says the fact that the city has stepped up and will now administer naloxone exemplifies just how serious they are in continuing to combat this issue. Last year, the federal government declared opioid addiction a national public health emergency. So this is clearly not a problem exclusive to Dane County or Madison. Drug overdoses are now the leading cause of accidental deaths in America. So if you would like to join in the conversation, come out to the Madison Public Library tonight from 4 until 8 o'clock for this free event.
And again, the event starts at 4 o'clock, including